The United Democratic Party has expressed that it is not keen to have any pre-poll alliance ahead of the upcoming assembly elections. UDP General Secretary Jemino Mautho said this time the party needs to go alone. The regional parties are still working together under the banner of the RDA. Mautho said the UDP had made several attempts to unite the regional parties since 1997. Jemino Mautho also said that the party's manifesto committee is on the job preparing the manifesto and would soon bring it to the public domain so that people will know what the party intends to do post-2023.
In the banner of the RDA. But if you look at, I think UDP this time is going to do very well in the year 2023. UDP has gained in strength. We see that UDP is growing in strength, and from all indication it appears that UDP is going to lead the government in 2023. We are very positive about that. We are upbeat. We remain steadfast in the opposition. I don't think so we are going for pre-poll alliance this time.
The bid